Hi Pandas, it's Mrs. Stewart. Today we're going to be talking about the weather. We're going to read a story about the weather. Then we're going to go outside for a second and decide what the weather's like today. And then we're going to go over some activities that you can do at home. So, to start, we're going to read our story all about the weather. Every day, everywhere you go, the weather is different and always changing. So we've got windy, stormy, snowy, cloudy, sunny, and rainy. Wow, that's lots of different types of weather. The temperature can be hot, warm, or cold. A thermometer measures the temperature of the air. Now you could have a thermometer like this at home, or you might use your phone or the internet to figure out what the weather is like on a given day. And to figure out that weather, people have to use thermometers. Sunny day, the sun shines bright and warms the earth. Wow, that's a beautiful sunshine right there. And they look like they're having fun. Maybe they're at the beach, swimming in the lake. Cloudy day. Clouds are made up of tiny water droplets that group together as they float in the sky. Cloudy day, so a lot of clouds, but there's not rain coming down. Wow, and she's got her hood on. They look nice and bundled. Rainy day. Rain is made when the water droplets get too heavy and gravity forces them down to the ground. Wow, it looks super rainy right there. And it looks like they're holding an umbrella. That's super smart to have when it's a rainy day. Stormy day. The thunder and lightning flash through the sky. Now, we've talked about this a little bit in the Panda classroom. Thunder and lightning can be a little scary, but it's important to make sure you find shelter and that you're safe inside, right? You'll be safe. A rainbow. A rainbow is made when sun rays shine through the water droplets. So you can sort of see it here. It's in black and white. Now, that is one of my favorite things to see. After a big storm, you might see a beautiful rainbow. Do you guys like rainbows? I like rainbows. If you want to, you could spend a little time at home and draw some rainbows. Maybe take some chalk outside. That would be fun. Snowy day. We didn't have much snow this winter. When it's cold and the water droplets freeze, they fall to the ground as snow. Those are beautiful trees with tons of snow. And I see a family over here bundled up. They're doing a fun winter snowy activity. Looks like they're skiing. Have you ever gone skiing? Maybe you've gone sledding too. That's a fun winter activity. Windy day. The wind is blowing as it moves, the clouds and the rain. Look, oh my goodness, that's so fun. They're jumping in the pile of leaves. And there's a flag. So on a windy day, you'll see the flags blowing in the wind. Now, it's very, very important that you always check the weather before you go outside so you can plan what to wear and what to bring. So earlier this year in science, I brought a bunch of clothes from home and we practiced and decided what we needed to wear when the weather was being different, right? If the weather's really warm and sunny outside, you might want to wear some shorts. But what if the weather decides to be very, very cold and snowy? You'll definitely need to wear a jacket, right? And a hat and mittens and a scarf, right? So it's very important to dress for the weather. So the next activity I'd like to do with you guys is go outside. Now, today is Sunday, okay? So when you guys watch this video, it's going to be after Sunday, okay? But I'm going to go through what I have to do today to decide what to wear. So I already looked outside this morning And I felt the weather a little bit, so I know it's not summertime. I know it's not a day to wear shorts, but I'm gonna go outside with you and decide what I should wear. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys with me. We're gonna travel real quick, and now we're first gonna look outside, okay? So right now, I'm already looking outside, and on my deck, I see a little bit of water. Little bit of water, but it doesn't look like it's raining, so that's good. Okay, so what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at my different shoes and decide what shoes I need to wear first. Okay, now, my summer sandals, probably not. My slippers, my tennis shoes, I could do that, but you know what? I really, really don't want to get my feet wet. So I'm gonna put on my rain boots, okay? So as I put on my rain boots, we're gonna get ready to go outside, okay? Now you guys can come with me and we're gonna look outside. Oh, it's a little bright, so maybe there's sun. Let's look up at the sky. No, all I see are clouds. Now, is it raining at all? I don't feel any rain coming down. That's good, but I'm glad I have my rain boots on right now. So if I were to leave my house today, maybe I would bring an umbrella or a little raincoat just in case it were to rain again. So I'm looking out here. Okay, it looks like it rained last night. Okay, so it's very important that I have my boots on so if I step in a puddle, my feet won't get wet. Now, the temperature, we talked about it could be cold, warm, hot, or cool. Okay. Now, it's not cold. It's not like it's snowing and I need my winter coat. It's not hot. I'm not wearing my shorts. Or I'm not going to the pool to go swimming. I think it's a little cool. I think it's cool. Okay, so I've got a long sleeve shirt on. I could roll my sleeves down like that. Perfect. And then I've got my boots on and I'm wearing leggings to cover my legs, right? So I don't want to wear shorts today because it's a little chilly. Okay, so thank you for coming along with me to figure out what the weather's like today. Now let's go back inside and we're going to decide what we can do this week, how we can figure out what the weather is like in our own homes. Okay, so I have a worksheet that I'm going to send home. This says, what's the weather? Now, if you would like to do this, feel free. Now, if you want to make your own chart and mark all the different types of weather that you're seeing while you're at home and learning at home, then you can go ahead and do that. This is just a sample. What's the weather? So it says cloudy, partly cloudy, sunny, rainy, stormy, snowy, windy. So when I went outside just now, it wasn't raining. Okay, that's good. I didn't see blue in the sky. I just saw clouds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to color in cloudy. I'll show you guys. So what I did is I colored in cloudy. That's pretty cool. So there's been one cloudy day since I started. And you guys can color in all the days and see how many cloudy days, how many partly cloudy days, sunny, rainy, stormy, snowy, and windy days you're having while learning at home. That's pretty cool. Now the next activity I have for you. This is going to be super helpful when you're deciding what you need to wear. So I've got an activity right here. It says, today's weather is. Now, at Bridgeway Academy, we sing the weather song, don't we? Okay, so it goes like, put your W's up, so everybody gets their W's up and they go, what's the weather like today? Like today, like today. What's the weather like today? On this, and today's Sunday. On this Sunday. Okay, so I looked outside. I walked outside too, and I decided that the weather today is very cloudy. It's cloudy. Now, something else that I think is going to happen because I checked the weather is there's a chance that it might rain. So I'm going to also circle rainy. Now that's up to you. In the morning, if you decide that you just want to circle cloudy or just sunny, that's totally okay. But if you know that it might change throughout the day, then go ahead and circle both. So I've got cloudy and rainy. Now, we talked about what I was wearing. So I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt. I'm going to color in a long sleeve shirt. Okay, color that in. And then I'm also wearing long pants, right? I'll color that in. Now, what is the thing that I decided to put on my feet? Were they my sandals? No way, right? It's rainy and it's yucky and we don't want our feet to get wet. So I put on some rain boots and I'm gonna color those black because that's the color of my rain boots. Color those in and I'm gonna put a smile on my face. There you go. So I colored in my buddy and I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt, I'm wearing pants, and I'm wearing my rain boots, right? So that's what I decided to wear because I wanted to make sure that I didn't get wet, that I was warm enough because it's a little chilly, right? And I also talked about maybe bringing an umbrella if I had to leave my house today, or maybe bringing a raincoat. Okay, so that's all we have today. I encourage you guys to sing your weather song at home. Remember, you put those W's up just like we do during calendar time. And then we've got our 2 sheets that you guys can practice with. And feel free, like I said, make your own chart. Make something cool at home. Maybe you make a poster that has a sunshine, a rain cloud, maybe snow, and then you can just point to what the weather's like. That would be so cool. And I would love to see what you guys come up with. Okay, friends, that's all we have today for science. I hope you have a fantastic day. And I hope that the weather's wonderful enough for you guys to play outside. See you guys next time.